Hi everyone, welcome back to Make Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to log into Roblox without password. So let's get started. Go to roblox.com or open the Roblox mobile app. Tap on the sign in button. You'll see the login screen with options to enter your username and password. You can log in through two ways. First is through one-time code. Below sign in button, you can see email me one-time code button. Tap on it. Now enter your email that is connected to your Roblox account. You will receive the email from Roblox with a 6-digit code. Copy that and paste it here, and you will be able to log in. The second way is to quick sign in. At the bottom or in smaller text, tap on quick sign in button. Now choose the account that you want to log into. And that's how you can log into Roblox without password.